Hi everybody. Today we're going to see how I draw Bunker Basher. Alright, I'm going to start off with a quick sketch for myself. And then I'll switch over to Sharpie. So don't worry about it if you can't see this. I know. This is from me, just to make sure I get everything right. And then I'll switch over and you'll be able to draw too. Alright, this one shouldn't take long because it's basically just a big, I want to say anvil, but not anvil, a big brick on a piece of wood, right? And let's see. And it's all bandaged up, which is my favorite thing to do. So it shouldn't take too long. As a matter of fact, I think I might be done with the sketch already. Let me just look real fast, double check a few things. Alright. Yeah, that's good. Let's get going. So I'm going to start off with the Sharpie. And I think I'm going to draw first the straps, because they're in front, and then I can build on that. So, well, not straps, but the bandage. I don't know what this is. It's not really a bandage, because why would you bandage up a big brick, right? So I'm just going to kind of do this, following my sketch, because I know where that's going to be. I'm going to come out here, make like an X almost, because of the way it's wrapped around. Bring it back in like that, and let's do another one over here too, I believe. Yeah, another one right underneath it like that. I think that's pretty good. So now we're just going to draw the brick. Okay, so let's see, we're going to go straight across, so it's going to be like this. Oops, look, it's already not even straight. Oh well, what's done is done. Like that. Okay, and there's going to be more lines going across, but I'm going to do those with a thinner Sharpie and see if I can make it look a little bit better. Okay, so let's see, we got one edge going in like this, so we're going to do the same thing over here, just because it's got that, you know, that weird brick look to it. So I'm going to come down and out, do the same thing here, and I'm eyeballing about where center is. But look, this one's lower, so it's already waving down like that. So, you know what, who cares? You just draw what makes you happy. Connect it over here, connect it right there like that. See? It's still not perfect, but, you know, this is how I draw. You draw how you draw. We'll meet somewhere in the middle, right? Okay, so I'm going to draw a line all the way across, connecting this edge to that edge, just to have some fun. It's a little thin. Ooh, you know what? I've got a Sharpie that's way too fat. I bought these, and it's fatter than that, so I didn't like them. But this works out here because, look, I can make it fatter than that, and I won't have to double up. It's not quite as fat as that one, but it's fatter than just that simple line that's in there. So, ooh, here's what I'm going to do. Watch this, watch this, watch this. So again, I'm going to do this one just like that, go straight across, and try to eyeball where it is. Oh, I messed up. That's a bandage. Oh well, what's done is done. And it keep going across like that. I'll fix that when I go to color it. Okay, so now I'm going to do with this one, because there's another level. I'm going to go across like that, and it's going to, ooh, I'm loving the way that looks. That thinner, you know, it makes your front and back, the distance. Woo, that's awesome. All right, I'm going to keep going. Okay. Ooh, yeah. Booyah, I like that. That's really good. Okay, so now I'm just going to basically draw the rest of it. Ooh, you know that now that I'm looking at it, my sketch is way off. It's like, it should be over here, like this. And I've got it like over like this. So now that I know that, I can compensate and do like that. Yeah, that'll work. Perfect. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, because it's bandage, I'm going to kind of do something like this. and you'll see why. This is one of my favorite things to do. I'll show you with just this part and then I'll continue down here. So I'm just going to kind of do something like this. And so what I do is take this, I'm going to take the Sharpie, the thinner one, and I'm going to connect it, and it kind of looks like it stands out, you know? I love drawing bandage. See how the thick and thin, how that stands out really well? I love doing that. So I can do it again down here, because it comes in here like this, does one of these, like that. There's the stick underneath. Again, I'm gonna follow it along, and you know what, I just kind of did that, and I wasn't thinking about the other end, I was just doing it. And then I'm just gonna make lines and kind of have fun with it, you know? See, I wasn't really planning. I just kind of like, ooh, there's a bump, I'm gonna connect that to there. Ooh, there's a bump, connect that to there. Just have fun, you know? It doesn't matter whether it looks right or not. This is yours. Here's that knob sticking out. Okay, and I just wanted to do that so I can make it like stand out inside of this, you know? This one I wanted back behind, so I drew it first. So now, same thing, I'm going to draw the bottom part of the bandage, just kind of like that. More bumps, and it's going to kind of flare out a little bit, so I'm kind of like going like this, kind of like I did up there. And it's all knotted up at the bottom, so I'm just going to close that off, knot it, and do something like this, just to show like the ends of it. Okay, so now I'm just going to do the connecting real fast and go from there. Oops, that kind of fell over, but that's okay. No big deal. I mean, hell, look, I did that right there. Doesn't matter. Don't panic. Just have fun with it. Okay. So, oh, you know what? There is one more that I forgot right here. And see how that doesn't look as good as that, because I didn't do the bumps because I wasn't anticipating it. But oh well, that's okay. We'll take care of it with color, and we're going to make it look beautiful and magnificent and a fantastic gift to the world. So let's take care of the rest with coloring. So for now, that is Bunker Basher. So here is my colored version. You could do it however you like. I just thought I'd show you how I decided to color it. If you'd like to color it like this, you can always pause the video here and use the coloring techniques that I used, or you can just make it your own. Remember, this is how I draw. You draw how you draw. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures of how I draw. Plus, don't forget to hit that notification button to be updated about each new video.